Welcome to Civil Engineering and Architecture Thoughts. Today we are going to discuss a problem on compression member. Our question: calculate the design compressive load for a steel column ISHB 350 at 710.2 Newton per meter, which is 3.5 meter high. Column is restrained against rotation and translation at both ends. Use Fe410 column. So here we are asked to design compressive load for a steel column, that is ISHB 350, that is Indian Steel Heavy Beam 350, and its weight is 710.2 Newton per meter, and its height is provided as 3.5 meter, and the column is restrained against rotation and translation. That means it's a fixed column, and we are asked to use Fe410 steel. Okay, so step 1 is properties of ISHB 350 at 710.2 Newton per meter. So the properties of the section we will obtain from SP16 or steel table. So first step, we have to convert 710.2 Newton per meter into kilogram per meter. As you all know, just divide that term by 9.8, that is acceleration due to gravity. So 710.2 divided by 9.81 is equal to 72.4 kilogram per meter. So weight per meter will be equal to 72.4 kg. Sectional area is equal to 92.21 centimeter square, that is equal to 9221 mm square. Depth of section H is equal to 350 mm. Thickness of flange TF is equal to 11.6 mm. Thickness of web TW is equal to 10.1 mm. Radius of gyration RXX is equal to 4.63 centimeter, that is equal to 46.3 mm. RYY is equal to 5.22 centimeter, that is equal to 52.2 mm. Hence, load carrying capacity of compression member will be different in both XX and YY axis. So we have to find out the capacity of compression member in XX axis and YY axis, and the minimum of the two have to be selected. Okay. Next is step 2, find buckling class. Okay, so H by B, H is 350 and B is 250, that is equal to H by B. 350 by 250 is equal to 1.4, that is greater than 1.2, and TF is equal to 11.6, which is less than 40. So from table 9 of IS 800 2007, XX axis the buckling class is class A, and YY axis buckling class is class B. So next is we have to find out the design compressive load PD along XX axis. So PD, design compressive load, is equal to area into design compressive strength. Area, in the properties of section we have already obtained that it is area is equal to 9221.0 mm square, and FCD we have to calculate. Okay, for calculating that we have to refer IS 800 page 40. There is a table, and in that table in row wise there will be the yield strength, and in column wise there will be a factor, that is KL by RXX. Okay, so we have to find out KL by RXX factor first. So K is equal to 0.65 for fixed condition. In question it is provided that it is fixed condition. So K is equal to 0.65, and length is, we know it is 3.5 meter. So we have to convert that into mm. So into 10 raised to 3 divided by RXX. From the properties of section we know RXX is equal to 46.3, that is equal to 15.5. So in the table we have only the value of 10, 20. Here it is given 10, 20, 30, etc. So we have to interpolate to get the value correspond to 15.5. For that we have to draw like this: 10, 20, and the value correspond to 10 is 226 and 20 is 227. So we have to find out this x. For finding the x, we should consider the Similar triangles, that is 227 minus 226 by 10 minus 20 is equal to x by 15.5 minus 20. From this we will get that x is equal to 0.45. So FCD, the design compressive strength, is equal to 226 plus 0.45 equal to 226.45. Hence PD is equal to area into strength, that is 9,221 into 226.45, that is equal to 2088.09 kilonewton. Similarly, we should find out the design compressive load PD along YY axis. From the table, that is table 9 itself, we have to find out KL by RYY. K is equal to 0.65 and L is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to 3 and RYY equal to 52.2. By solving the equation we get 43.6. For the values correspond to this set is 40, 50, 40 and so on, and the value correspond to 50 is 194 and 40 is 206. So we have to find out the value for x. By considering the similar triangle conditions, 206 minus 194 by 40 minus 50 is equal to x by 43.6 minus 50 and x is equal to 7.68. So FCD is equal to 194 plus 7.68, that is equal to 201.68 into 10 raised to 6 kilonewton per meter square. Hence PD, the design compressive load, is equal to area into strength, that is equal to 9,221 into 201.68 is equal to 1859.69 kilonewton. Okay, as I have already mentioned at first, design compressive load is minimum of design compressive load of IX6 and IYY. So minimum is for IYY, that is our design compressive load is equal to 1859.69 kilonewton. Hope you understand the problem. Thank you.